Hi, it's Alistair from Elecbrakes, and I'd like to take you through now the requirement of brakes on trailers in Australia. All trailer manufacturers are guided by the Australian design rules when they manufacture their trailer type. There's a requirement for some trailers to have brakes and some not to. And what I'd like to do now is break it down into three categories to simplify that process for you to understand. Firstly, trailers under 750 kilos, or typically your 6x4 box trailer. Any trailer under 750 kilos has no requirement for a service brake to assist the braking of that trailer when being towed by a vehicle. Once a trailer exceeds 750 kilos, up to 2,000 kilos, there is a requirement for a service brake to be fitted to the trailer on at least one axle. Most typically in Australia, that service brake is an electric braking system. The third category is trailers over 2,000 kilos. Trailers over 2,000 kilos require all axles to be braked, or if it's a tandem axle, therefore, it's 2 axles braked or 4 wheels braked. If it's a tri-axle trailer, it's 3 axles braked, 6 wheels braked. There is also a requirement on trailers over 2,000 kilos to be fitted with an emergency braking system. This is commonly called in Australia the breakaway system. The breakaway system is activated when the trailer breaks away from the trailer and applies the brakes for 15 minutes.